This is Ken with God Body Training, and today what we're going to talk about is ticker symbol DJT, Donald Trump Technologies, and what did they do to soar up 17%, and what can you do to get in on this money and start making money as far as trading options and investing. This is what we're going to dive deep into. So first, what I want you guys to do is click the like and subscribe button and subscribe to the channel as we dive in deep. All right, so what we're going to talk about today is what happened with Donald Trump Technology or whatever, and why did it soar up 17%? So what's going on is Donald Trump Technology, which is what it is, Trump Media or whatnot. What happened today was it's rumored for them to buy Bakkt. And it's a platform that sells cryptocurrency, that buys and sells cryptocurrency, more so like Coinbase, Robinhood, and things like that or whatever, right? And what people are thinking now is that by Trump diving deep into it and by him winning this election, that he gonna take cryptocurrency to a whole nother level, right? So when we talk about this or whatnot, right, this is what I want y'all to know and think about while we dive deep into this. People are believing cryptocurrency to be the next best thing or whatnot out here. And with Trump supporting it, people are starting to rally behind cryptocurrency and things like that. So by him getting into buying it, people are feeling as though like, dang, crypto's finna be the next best thing. So that's the reason why Trump DJT had took off. See, Trump Media and Technology. All right, so let's look at the charts or whatnot, and let's see what the chart is telling us or whatever, right? Let me move over just a little bit so we all can dive deep into it. So, as y'all can see, I am on a 4-hour chart right now. As y'all can see, this big long candle right here, as y'all can see, it went all the way up. It took off this morning, right? It took off Monday morning. It took off like crazy. Then it started to go down just a little bit. But as you can see, it's still people right here with this wick pumping it back up. Right? So, with us knowing this or whatnot, right? Where can we get in at? I want you guys to pay attention, right? So, look. So, I'm looking at the RSI, which is a relatively strength index. It let us know that right here is over. It right here was overbought or whatnot, right? And as you can see, it started to come down, right? And you can see the wick at the top right here, starting to push it down. As y'all can see, it went down. But people right here, once it got down to, let me see, $30.80, they started buying in right here because people did not want to miss out on it, right? So what I want you guys to really focus on is the support and resistance level, right? So we know that up here, which is $33.77, we know that if it goes above $33.77, the next support level, not support level, but resistance level is 35, as y'all can see right here, $35.34. So if you put in a call option, I'll start taking profit around like $34, really $34, $35 or whatnot, right? That's when I start taking profits, right? Because we see right here, once it hit $35.34, as y'all can see, it started taking a slope down. As y'all can see right here, it started taking a slope down. As y'all can see. So let's talk about cryptocurrency or whatnot, right? And let's dive deep into it. So, Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, which is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, since Trump won the election, has gone up, as y'all can see, from 60 to 90, right? Now, everybody keep asking me, like, is Bitcoin good? Is this the time to buy into Bitcoin right now? And this, that, and the third. Now, as y'all can see right now, if I'm looking at the RSI, it's fairly in the middle. Do I feel like it has room to grow? I do. Do I feel like it's the time right now? As I'm looking at it, I feel as though that it's still, in order for me to really be bought in on it, it will have to surpass 93,000. You know what I'm saying? $483 in order for me to feel safe, for me to be like, hey, look, it's a clean go. It's finna rocket shit up to 100,000, something like that, or whatnot. Right now it's consolidating, right? And with it consolidating, for all those who know, y'all know it may come in and try to, let's see if we got any gaps in here. I ain't no gaps right now, but it may start coming down and start slumping down. People may start taking profits. And some of you guys need to learn that too, or whatnot, right? People are going to start taking profits. When things skyrocket to the magnitude that it has, or whatnot, people are going to start taking some money off the top of whatnot for their long-term investments and things like that, or whatever, for they can profit. So like right now, I'm not gonna say that it's a clear go ahead, like it just finna take off or whatnot. We kind of, if you ain't in it yet, you're starting to miss out a little bit. You make them catch in a little better. You make them get a better entry in on some of the Bitcoin as we follow, as it starting to come up or whatnot. But it looks like, as y'all can see, the 1348, as y'all can see, both of these are rising. Don't get it wrong. But as y'all can see, they're starting to become closer together. So I am kind of expecting a fall. Probably like in December, I may be expecting a fall in December. But I just want to let y'all know whatnot, that y'all may get a better, entry in or whatnot, right? And a better entry in will be, to me, around down here, which would be 84,000 or whatnot. But let's talk about let's get into Coinbase. Let's see what Coinbase been doing, right? Okay, it is the #1 trading platform for crypto. Coinbase is, right? As y'all can see, Coinbase been going up, right? As y'all can see, if on the double bottom right here, if on the double bottom, as y'all see, it start rising up. Coinbase looks like it may. The RSI is saying that it is over. Let me see on the 4-hour chart. It is saying that it is overbought and it is coming down a little bit. So pay attention to that or whatnot, right? If you are gonna put a call option in. What I would do, put a call option in above once it get above 343.74 But if it drops down below 274.30 or 301.301, then I'll be putting in put options and riding it all the way back down or whatnot, right? And then I start buying in more shares of Coinbase in order to increase my position or whatnot, right? And as y'all can see. Now let's talk about NVIDIA. NVIDIA right here. All right, so look, as y'all can see, NVIDIA's been falling, as y'all can see. And you see the 1348, across the 1348, going down or whatnot, right? So we should have, if you know about put options, you can make money while it's riding down or whatnot, right? It looks like it is trying to, come back up, but you see these long wicks of people trying to sell it or whatnot, right? Because, matter of fact, NVIDIA have an earnings report coming up. It has an earnings report, and we all know that, I feel as though that it's going to be doing good and whatnot because everybody is using NVIDIA. All these computers, Elon Musk trying to use it for his cars. majority of a lot of technology that we do have is working on some form of NVIDIA chip or whatnot, right? So I'm expecting their earnings to be good, and I am expecting for it to rise up. But be careful, because playing earnings is more so like gambling or whatnot, right? I want you guys to know that. Even though you may get good news and you may get a good earnings report or whatnot, it may slump down. And when things slump down or whatnot, we put in put options in order to have some form of insurance on our shares, or just to make money while it rides itself down or whatnot, right? Just to try to make some easy, quick money. If you're interested in learning how to trade options, on how to make money while the stock market is going up or down, click the link that's in the description below, so you can be able to learn how to trade options or whatnot, right? So you can get more familiar with trading options, how you can make money while the stock market is going up or down or whatnot. All right, so this basically wrap it up for today. Y'all have a blessed day and happy trading. Goodbye.